Friends, in this video, we will learn about the changes that will occur in your body and the benefits you will receive by doing 2-minute plank exercise daily. Nowadays, online and offline people keep mentioning different benefits of plank exercise. So many people want to understand about plank exercise and also want to know its benefits. In this video, you will get answers to all the questions related to plank exercise. So first, let us quickly tell you how plank is performed correctly so that you can get the full benefits of plank exercise and avoid any injury. And then we will learn about the 9 amazing benefits of plank exercise. To perform the plank exercise in perfect form, you need to first come into the plank position and make a 90-degree angle with your hands, and keep your feet together while keeping your entire body area straight, including your hips to your head. This means you should not bend your knees so that your quad muscles don't get engaged, and you should keep your entire area straight from your hips area to your head area. Plank exercise is performed in this form, keeping the body in a straight line. So you have learned that how to perform plank exercise correctly, but if you perform it on the floor, your hands can hurt from being placed on the ground. So you can perform it by placing a mat on the floor, but the mat should not be too soft, otherwise, it may affect your form. You can also use a yoga mat to do plank exercise. You can check the link to purchase a yoga mat in the video description box. Guys, now let's know about the 9 amazing benefits of plank exercise. But before that, make sure to subscribe to this channel now for detailed fitness-related videos. Now let's talk about benefit number 1. Your core area gets trained, which helps in building your abs and obliques. When you perform the plank exercise, many muscles in your core area get engaged, including the erector spinae, rectus abdominis, lumbar multifidus, as well as internal and external obliques. These muscles get deeply engaged by doing plank, which helps in building your abs and obliques. Additionally, training these muscles also improves other body functions, such as providing relief in lower back pain, improving your balance, flexibility, and stability, and reducing the chances of injury. Benefit 2. Your overall health and fitness improve. When you do plank for 2 minutes daily, it improves your overall health and fitness. Many muscles are engaged and trained simultaneously during plank, which also gives them strength. As a result, your body tone up and functions better, improving your overall health and fitness. If you are enjoying this information, please like this video. Benefit 3. Your metabolism gets faster. Doing 2-minute plank helps in improving your metabolism, which helps in toning your body and growing muscles. Plank is effective for metabolism, but if you also do exercises like burpee and mountain climbers along with plank, you can boost your metabolism even more. Besides, you can also improve your metabolism by following a healthy diet and drinking more water. Benefit 4. Your body posture improves. If you have a job that requires sitting for long hours, or if your work involves prolonged sitting, your body posture can deteriorate, making you feel uncomfortable when standing or walking. However, when you do plank exercises, your glutes and lumbar spine muscles also get engaged, training your back to stay straight. Even when you're not exercising, your posture remains good. Benefit 5. Your flexibility improves. When you consistently do 2-minute plank exercises, your body becomes more flexible, making it easier for you to perform daily tasks. This happens because plank engages all your posterior muscle groups, including your shoulders, shoulder blades, and collarbone, deeply training them. Additionally, your hamstrings, toes, and foot also get trained during plank, increasing flexibility in your overall body. Benefit 6. Plank helps prevent back and spinal injuries. As you start doing plank exercises, your back muscles strengthen, reducing the chances of lower back pain and back injuries. Especially, your upper back becomes significantly stronger. Benefit 7. Your mood improves. Planking releases a hormone called endorphin in your body, which uplifts your mood. When your flexibility, stability, and mental health improve, you can handle social situations better, as well as manage your relationships and friendships more effectively. Benefit 8. Your body balance improves. If you struggle to stand on one leg for a long time or find it difficult to maintain balance in certain positions, it's often due to the weakness of your abdominal muscles. Plank primarily works on your complete abdominal muscles, improving your overall body balance. This, in turn, enhances your performance in daily activities, sports, and exercises. Benefit 9. Your mental health improves. Apart from physical health, doing 2-minute planks daily also significantly improves your mental health. Plank exercises work on most muscle groups that create tension and stress in your body, relieving you from stress, depression, and anxiety-related problems. Guys, if you have not subscribed yet, please make sure to subscribe to this channel for more such real and detailed videos. And don't forget to like the video. Bye friends, take care.